Hello friends. Now last topic is our lesson is literary evidence. Literary evidence means evidence consists of historical writing, biographies, plays, novel, epics, all gives a lot of information about our country and our past. How many types of literary evidence present? There are two types of literary evidence. One is indigenous or Indian sources, second is foreign sources. Third one is what is indigenous sources? Indigenous sources means given information about our past from our Indian writers. And what is the meaning of the foreign sources? Foreign travelers, pilgrimage, give the information about country. Which European or British people written the book on Rajput periods? Their name was Colonel Todd. Colonel Todd book's name was Annals and Antiquities of Rajasthan. He gives a 50 years research on the Rajput period. Rajput period generally mentions 600 AD to 1200 AD. It is also called early medieval period also. In 1929, its Colonel Todd book was published. He mentioned 36 Rajput dynasties ruled our country with different times. What is the meaning of bards? Bard means poet. In every court or darbar, one famous poet lived. It is gives the information about the East dynasties. In Hindi, it is called Bhat, which first history book written by any Indian person. That name was Raj Tarangini. Raj Tarangini was the first history book of our country and it is a perhaps world best history book. It gives lot of information about the Kashmir. He was the writer of Kashmir, lived in the Queen's Vidya's court. He was written in the 11th and 12th century. He gives 1500 years information of systematic chronological orders of the all Kashmiri rulers. From Mahavir Swami to 12th century Rani Didda. It is who was the writer of Vikram Dev Charitra. Vikram Dev Charitra was written by Bhilana. He was the 11th century writer. It gives South India's Cholas and Chalukya dynasty information. It is a very good source of indigenous history. Who was the writer of Prithviraj Rasu? Prithviraj Rasu was written by Chandabardai. Chandabardai written Prithviraj Rasu. He also given the list of 36 Rajput dynasties which ruled our country between 600 AD to 1200 AD. In this book, Chanda Bardai described the Prithviraj Chauhan and his famous victories and his lost his battle in Karayan War. Now, second literary source is the foreign sources. Foreign sources means what they are coming from the in India saw several foreign travelers, students and pilgrims. They gave to lot of information about our country. First famous book written by Al-Burani. Al-Burani was the Persian traveler came with Mahmud of Ghazni. He was written Tehqiqat-e-Hind or Tehqiq-e-Hind book. His meaning, English meaning is an inquiry of India. He gives lot of information of Mahmud Ghazni and his 17th attack on our country. He also described the destruction of the temple of Somnath in 1024-25. Now, next foreign traveler came to our country is Ibn Battuta. Ibn Battuta was the traveler of the Morocco. Morocco is a country which is situated in the northeast Africa. He was written a famous book. That book name was Rehala. Rehala gives lot of information about the Muhammad bin Tughlaq and his dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty. Now, next foreign traveler was Marco Polo. Marco Polo was the first European to reach in China in the 13th century. He was an Italian traveler and he was goes to the Kublai Khan court. Kublai Khan was the great grandson of the Genghis Khan, or you say in English it is the Genghis Khan. He was the famous ruler of the Mongol Empire. In which year Marco Polo came to our country? Marco Polo came to our country in 1292 when he was going to the Europe. He was stayed some time here and he gives a lot of information about our country and our country's prosperity. What is Babarnama? Babarnama is the autobiography of Babar. Two Mughal emperors written their autobiography by himself. First is Babar, then Jahangir or Sali. Who was the writer of Akbarnama? Akbarnama was written by Abul Fazl. Abul Fazl and Faizi are the two brothers which lived in the court of Akbar. Abul Fazl was a very intelligent person and a great writer of the Persian language, and his brother Faizi was the librarian of the Akbar. He translated so many books into the Persian language and Persian book translated into Hindi.